Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that everything's ready, let's mix it all together and show you how to serve it for maximum flavor. Hearty upgrades: tuna, bacon and cheese. For those who like their macaroni salad with extra substance, these add-ins turn a side dish into a meal. Tuna. Fold in a drained can of tuna for a protein boost. Try it with red onions and dill for a Mediterranean vibe. Bacon. Crispy, crumbled bacon adds smoky saltiness. Pair it with cheddar and a dash of hot sauce for a loaded baked potato feel. Cheese. Cubed cheddar, feta, or even blue cheese can add richness. For a Tex-Mex twist, mix in pepper jack and a handful of black beans. These variations are perfect for potlucks or as a main dish on busy nights. The best part? They're just as easy as the classic, just stir in your extras before chilling. Serving and pairing suggestions. Classic macaroni salad is a chameleon, it fits just about anywhere. Whether you're packing it for a picnic or serving it at a holiday table, it's dependable, crowd-friendly, and always hits the spot. Here's how to make it shine in any setting. Casual gatherings and picnics. Macaroni salad was made for laid-back meals. Its creamy texture and bright flavors hold up well outdoors, making it a picnic essential. Pair it with grilled hot dogs or burgers. The tangy creaminess cuts through rich, smoky flavors. Fried chicken. A cold, crunchy contrast to warm, juicy chicken. Veggie skewers. Lighten the spread with charred zucchini, bell peppers, or corn. Pack it in a sealable container with ice packs to keep it chilled. For easy serving, bring a large spoon and disposable bowls. Backyard barbecues. At a barbecue, macaroni salad plays well with bold, charred flavors. Try it alongside pulled pork sandwiches. The salad's creaminess balances the meat's richness. Ribs or brisket. Acts like a cooling side to spicy, sticky sauces. Baked beans. The sweetness of beans pairs perfectly with the salad's tang. For a cohesive menu, garnish the salad with chopped chives or paprika for a pop of color. Holiday meals and potlucks. Even at fancier events, this salad holds its own. It's a reliable choice when you need a no-fuss side that still feels special. Serve it with honey-glazed ham. The saltiness of ham loves the salad's creamy bite. Roasted turkey. A lighter alternative to heavier sides like stuffing. Deviled eggs. Double down on creamy, crowd-pleasing dishes. If you're bringing it to a potluck, dress it up with extras like diced roasted red peppers or fresh herbs. It's a simple way to make it stand out. Weeknight dinners. Macaroni salad isn't just for parties. It's an easy side for busy nights when you need something quick but satisfying. Try it with grilled cheese sandwiches. A nostalgic combo that kids and adults love. Rotisserie chicken. Skip the cooking and let the salad handle the flavor. Simple green salad. Balance the creaminess with something fresh and crisp. Leftovers keep well, so make a big batch and enjoy it for lunches throughout the week. Global pairings. Feel like mixing things up? This salad adapts to flavors from around the world. For a fun twist, pair it with teriyaki chicken. The sweetness mirrors Hawaiian mac salad vibes. Tacos or quesadillas. A cool contrast to spicy, cheesy mains. Greek kebabs. Serve with tzatziki and pita for a Mediterranean twist. The key is balancing textures and temperatures. Creamy, cold salad with something warm and crunchy? Always a win. Tips for storing and reviving leftovers. Macaroni salad holds up well in the fridge, but a little care keeps it tasting fresh for days. The right storage prevents dried-out pasta or a soggy mess, while reviving leftovers is as easy as a quick stir or splash of flavor. Here's how to keep it at its best. Storing leftover macaroni salad. Keep your salad creamy and flavorful by storing it properly. Follow these steps. Use an airtight container. This locks in moisture and keeps odors from seeping in. Glass or BPA-free plastic works best. Press plastic wrap directly on the surface. Before sealing the lid, lay plastic wrap against the salad to prevent a dried-out top layer. Refrigerate within 2 hours. Bacteria grows fast at room temperature, especially with mayo-based dressings. Consume within 3–4 days. The edges of safety and freshness. After that, texture and taste decline. Avoid freezing macaroni salad. The mayo breaks down when thawed, turning gritty and watery. Reviving leftovers. Straight from the fridge macaroni salad can sometimes need a little love. If it's lost its luster, try these fixes. Add moisture. Stir in a tablespoon of mayo, yogurt, or a splash of milk for creaminess. Brighten the flavor. A teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice wakes up dulled seasoning. Refresh the texture. Toss in extra diced celery, onions, or fresh herbs for crunch. Adjust seasoning. Taste and add a pinch of salt, pepper, or mustard if needed. If you want to serve it cold but avoid a too firm texture, let it sit on the counter for 10 minutes before eating. Chilled flavors bloom slightly as they warm. For next day lunches, pack garnishes like extra relish or chopped herbs separately. Stir them in just before eating to keep textures crisp. Classic macaroni salad is more than just a side dish. It's a blank canvas for flavor and creativity. Whether you stick to tradition or mix in bold twists, its creamy, crunchy, tangy balance makes it a hit at any table. Now it's your turn. Try the recipe, switch up the add-ins, or share your favorite version in the comments. Every bowl of macaroni salad tells a story. What will yours be? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.